Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of pothole detection system using machine learning or the deep learning algorithms. Additionally, we are also going to detect the drowsiness of the driver. So it will be a driver monitoring plus the pothole detection system for the safe driving. So as far as this paper is concerned, this is the paper which supports the idea. This is particularly focusing on the pothole detection system or the real-time pothole detection for safe driving. And basically we will be having a camera in the system, or right now we are going to simulate using them pre-recorded video or by using some YouTube video for the pothole detection. But the same system can also be used using the real-time camera attached to the car, and the car is driving, you have to drive the car on the road, and then in that case it will detect the potholes in front of the car, and it will indicate you whether there are potholes or not. And that will, in that way, it is going to help us in the driving, or it will be an safest driving way, so that you cannot commit any accidents or you can drive your car safely. Secondly, consider another situation. The major accidents are caused due to the potholes plus the drivers. Now, if the driver is drunk or drowsy, in that case also there are chances of accidents. So the second system which we are going to improve or add as an improvement in this particular paper, that we are going to do the drowsiness detection as well. So this paper is focusing on the pothole detection, but we are going to do drowsiness detection plus the pothole detection. Now, as far as the drowsiness detection is concerned, it is all about monitoring the driver. For example, if there is a travel agency or the school bus or any other transportation media, and if the driver is drowsy, now that can be detected by the camera, and based on that, we can say, or we can alert the people for the drowsiness of that particular uh, driver. Now let's talk about the coding part of this particular project. So this is the complete coding folder in which we are having some Python files, and the web framework here we are using Flask in order to create the web application for this particular project. At the front end side, we're using HTML and CSS programming, and at the back end side, we're using Python programming. Now, in order to detect the potholes, we are using convolutional neural network algorithm, and the object detection technique we are using under that. And for the drowsiness detection, we are detecting the eye blinks of the driver. Now, as far as the eye blink detection is concerned, we are not actually detecting the blinking of the eyes. Instead, we are calculating the eye opening ratio, and how much eyes are open, that we are calculating, and if that particular eyes are getting closed or they are closed for so long, then only we'll identify that this particular condition is drowsiness. Now let's understand, or let's see the demonstration part of this particular project. Now, in order to run this project, I will have to open the localhost. Now, as soon as I will type localhost colon 5000 in the web browser, I will have to enter the username and password. So here, as a default, I have kept admin as an username and password. So once I log in, so if you do not log in, then it will again redirect to the login page. And if you log in, then it will redirect to some other page. For example, driver monitoring page will open after login. Now once you log in, so immediately it will open the driver monitoring page. Now here the real-time camera of your system will start, and now it is actually calculating the eye aspect ratio. Now if you try to uh, close your eyes, now you can see here there was a drowsiness alert and there was an alarm as well. So I don't know whether it was audible in the video or not, but yes, there was a drowsiness alert over here, and it was alarming in the headphones. Now this is one system that we are doing here. We are actually measuring the opening ratio of our eyes, and this is the eye aspect ratio we are printing over here. Now let's talk about the second system. Now second system is the pothole detection system. Now here I am using the video from the YouTube. So this is the YouTube video I am directly streaming from the YouTube over here. Otherwise, you can download videos and you can provide to the system as well. Now this is the some new channel, and they are talking about the potholes in their country. And now as you can see here, it can be detected that there is a pothole. And again, this is how they are moving their camera on the road, and our system is identifying that there are potholes. Now this video is directly streamed from the YouTube, But yes, you can have the real time streaming as well. You can have the camera attached to your car, and then this kind of things you can see in your car's dashboard. So this system works on the recorded videos which are downloaded in the local machine, or it can also work on the YouTube videos. We can directly stream from the YouTube, and it can also uh, work on the recorded videos or on the images. Okay, so that way, this is an implementation of, or the complete demonstration of this particular project. So in case you need any help in implementation of this particular project, so in that case you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.